The bicycle shop, fixing a chain, fixing a mood. Tom lived in a small and quiet town where most people knew each other. Near the old market, between a fruit shop and a tea house, there was a small bicycle shop. The sign above the door was old and a little broken, but the words were still clear. It said, Tom's Bicycle Shop. Every morning, Tom opened the shop at the same time. He cleaned the floor, opened the window, and placed the bicycles neatly inside. This routine made him feel calm. Tom was a kind man, but these days he felt tired and sad. Business was not good. Many people now used cars or buses, and fewer people came to fix bicycles. Tom still loved his work, but sometimes he felt lonely in the quiet shop. On this day, the sky was gray, and the street was almost empty. Tom sat on his chair, looked at his tools, and sighed. His mood was low, like the dark clouds outside. Around midday, the door opened slowly. A woman named Anna came in, pushing an old red bicycle. The chain was loose, and the pedals did not move well. Anna looked worried and a little embarrassed. She said hello and explained that she used the bicycle to go to work every day. That morning, the chain broke, and she almost fell. She was scared and tired, and her day started badly. Tom listened carefully and nodded. He took the bicycle and placed it on the stand. As he worked, he cleaned the chain, checked the gears, and tightened the screws. His hands knew the work very well. Anna stood nearby and watched. After some silence, she started to talk. She spoke about her job, her long days, and how riding her bicycle helped her relax. Tom listened and answered with a soft smile. While fixing the chain, Tom felt something change inside him. He realized that his work still mattered. People needed bicycles, and they needed someone they could trust. The sound of the tools, the smell of all, and the simple work made his mind calm. The broken chain slowly became strong again, just like his mood. After a while, Tom finished the repair. He tested the bicycle and smiled with pride. Anna's face became bright. She thanked Tom and said she felt safe again. She paid him and added a small tip. That small act made Tom feel warm inside. When Anna left the shop and rode away, the street did not feel so empty anymore. Later that afternoon, a young boy came in, then an old man, and then another customer. Each bicycle had a problem, and each problem had a story. Tom listened, worked, and smiled more with every repair. The gray sky slowly became blue, and sunlight filled the shop. At the end of the day, Tom closed the door and turned off the lights. He looked at the shop one last time and felt proud. He understood that fixing a chain is not only about metal and wheels. It is also about helping people and fixing small pieces of life. Tom walked home with a light heart, knowing that tomorrow he would open the shop again with a better mood and a quiet smile.